Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to grow your nails in just 2 days. This is something which I tried like few months ago and this is like super easy. This method is like amazing too, which will gonna help you in growing your nails faster, longer and stronger. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, first of all, before starting this video, let me tell you, you are not going to get this long in just 2 days. No, not at all. But you will clearly start seeing the difference. You will start seeing that your nail started growing in just 2 days after using this home remedy, which I'm going to show you. So let me clear you. Otherwise, if you are thinking that you are going to get this long nails in just 2 days, so this is not ever possible, not at all. But you are going to see that your nails is started growing and they are become stronger. If you have already long nails, then if you are worried that your nails are not at all stronger, they are very weak, they are easily bendable and they are very soft. So this home remedy will gonna help you a lot. So basically what you have to do, take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use 3 oils. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, or you can use vitamin E oil. You can take any brand of these 3 oils. Here I have taken warm coconut oil. You just have to warm it up. Like if you're using coconut oil, olive oil, you can just warm it up because this will gonna help you in that. So just make sure just warm this coconut oil. This is the warm coconut oil. And if you're using vitamin E oil, then you can just apply it directly. So I will gonna recommend you just go with the coconut oil because coconut oil works amazingly on your nails. So here I take coconut oil, then I add half tablespoon, or you can just add 2 to 3 drops of lemon in it. Only these 2 things, warm coconut oil and lemon. So I have taken these 2 things in this bowl. We are going to dip our nails in it like this. Okay, just make sure it should not hot. It should be pretty warm. That's it, like this. Now put it on a table or on a shelf where you can just comfortably sit and by dipping your nails like this. Now you have to dip your nails like this for around half an hour. Yes, you have to just dip your nails like this for half an hour in coconut oil. So beauties, after just dipping it for half an hour, now what you have to do, just massage your fingers of your both fingers of your both hands. Just massage it like this. Just massage it like this. And you don't need to wash your hands and just go to your bed and just sleep. And next morning you can wash it like normally. Just use your hand wash and just wash your hand normally. So you have to do it like this. And beauties, the best time of doing this home remedy is at night before going to sleep. Just do it in just 2 days. Just do it for 2 nights and you can see the third day morning, you can see beauties, it is like totally visible. The change is visible that your nail is started growing. And this remedy is super amazing because coconut oil works like super fast. It will gonna make your nails super strong like this. Just massage it on your nails. Now just go to your bed and just sleep. That's it. Do this 2 nights and the third day you will start seeing the difference. And like for some people, in just 1 use you will start seeing the difference. So beauties, because lemon will gonna help you in it will gonna make your nails very clean. It will gonna remove all the dirt from your cuticles and it will gonna help you in growing your nails because lemon is like rich in vitamin C and it's really help you in growing your nails. It will gonna make your nails stronger too. Whereas coconut is like amazing for your hair growth and for your nail growth. And coconut is like a multi-benefit kind of thing. Just go and try it out. That's why I recommended you just go use it, try it with the coconut oil and lemon, or you can try it with olive oil and lemon also. So this is the thing which will gonna help you in growing your nails very, very faster in just 2 days. So beauty, just go and try this home remedy. Just comment it. Firstly, just go and try this and trust me, you will start seeing a change in just 2 days. So beauty, just go try, comment it in the comment section. If you have any queries, just comment it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any recommended video, just comment it. Hope you all like this video. See you in my next video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.